Are you looking for a special broiler weight up to 4 kg, 6 kg, 8 kg in short period? Don't neglect space management, special breed, biosecurity measures, and feed management. Give them quality feed, you get the best results. Watch the video to the end and thank me later. Are you ready? This is broiler finisher feed, organic broiler finisher feed using domestic waste, 100 kg feed formula, using kitchen waste. All those things you generate from your kitchen that you call waste. They are waste in your house, but they are not waste for domestic animals, for livestock animals like chicken, broilers, layers, and others. Here we are creating a formula that will be used to produce this feed, and this feed is the feed that can give you up to 4 kg, 4.5 kg in 6 weeks. Are you ready for this particular feed formula? Let's get it. Now we are starting with corn or maize, anyone you call it, or maize. Our corn or maize, which is the major ingredient for carbohydrates and energy, is 55 kg. I know some of you will later ask me, how many bags of feed can this produce? When we're talking about 100 kg, if a bag of feed in your location is 25 kg, it means 25, the 100 divided by 25 will give you 4 bags. That's what it means. Don't come to my WhatsApp group to ask me how many bags of feed will this produce. Only divide it by the number of kg. If your location you are having 50 kg per bag, then if you divide it to 2, it's going to give you only 2 bags. So our corn here is 55 kg. Then soya bean, SBM, soya bean meal here is 18 kg. Soya bean is one of the source of protein, and this is from plant protein. We have plant protein, we have animal protein. Our soya bean and GNC, that's granite cake meal, is 5 kg. GNC 5 kg. Granite cake and soya bean is the major plant protein here. Then we have wheat offal, which is for fiber and energy also. Our wheat offal here is 7 kg. Then the next one is fish meal. Fish meal is the major ingredient for animal protein. And here we have different protein content of fish meals. We have 72% crude protein, we have 65% crude protein, we have 62% crude protein, and we have local fish bones and fish waste that are lower in protein. Here we are dealing with 65% crude protein. Here our fish meal here is 3 kg in this formula. Then the next one here is bone meal. No, okay, let's make use of 2 major animal proteins. Blood meal also. Our blood meal here is 1 kg. You know, blood meal has high protein content, crude protein content, which is about 85 to 90% crude protein, depending on how you process it. Here we have it as 1 kg. Then the next one is bone meal, which is a major source of calcium. Bone meal. Our bone meal here is 1 kg. 1 kg is presented as 1% of the. Then we have limestone, which is phosphorus, limestone. Our limestone here is 1 kg also. Then we have another one, salt. Salt, that's we're making use of industrial salt, 0.5 kg. Salt. 0.5 kg. Then after salt, we have either you make use of red oil or groundnut oil or vegetable oil. All this is content. You're looking for fat, crude fat, oil. You can call it GM groundnut oil. or vegetable oil, anyone, or vegetable oil. Any of these can serve. 3 kg is okay. 3 kg is something as 3 liters. 3 kg is something as 3 liters. Then we have another one here. We can use molasses to substitute the energy. Molasses is a waste from sugar producing companies. Molasses here, we're talking about 1 kg, which is about 1 liter, 1 kg. Then we have other macronutrients like lysine, methionine, and others. Here we have methionine. Our methionine here is 0.2 kg, which is 200 grams, 0.2 kg. As something as 200 grams. Then we have lysine. Our lysine is 0.2 kg. Lysine 0.2 kg. Then we have toxin binder. Toxin binder is used to detoxify the feed from any harmful substance that may affect your livestock, either poultry, dog, anything you want to use the feed to. Toxin binder, we call it T binder. T binder. Our toxin binder should use just little quantity. It's enough. 0.05%. 0.05 kg. It's okay. Then the next one is premise. This is vitamin and mineral premise that helps to build up the structure of your livestock animals. Wherever there is any deficiency in this product, this vitamins and mineral premise will substitute it and cover them up. Vitamin and mineral premise. Vitamin and mineral. We call it premise. Premise here is 0.25. If you calculate all these, it's going to give you 100 each. Now, this feed is finisher. This is 20% crude protein. I don't want to go into the calculation of how I got this 20% crude protein. It's 20% crude protein feed formula and about 6% fat. I want to go into the calculation. It's going to take us longer time. This feed, we're going to produce this feed in this farm here. We're making this feed once after this. If you want me to show you how we produce this feed, so you see how the feed looks like, let me know on the comment section. Tell me your view about the particular feed formula. Do you have these ingredients in your areas, or do you want any of these feed ingredients? You're looking for them, or you don't have them, or do you want me to use any other feed ingredients to substitute them? Let me know on the comment section, so that if you don't have them, then we can use any other, like this corn, and that product can replace them. So yeah, another product can replace them. GNC and another wheat or farm can be replaced by rice bran. Some of all these, even fish meal can be replaced also. All these ones can, yeah, they're all replaceable. So if you let me know your view on the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. And if you want us to produce this feed, you want to see how the chickens are doing with this feed, let me know on the comment section. Let's get there. Thank you for watching. Share the video. See, the next video is uploaded in the next channel. Don't go away. Bye for now.